Friends, what if I told you that every Malaysian banknote is packed with hidden security features so advanced that even the most experienced experts struggle to replicate them? And by the time you finish watching this video, you'll be able to spot these clever details on your own. It all begins far away from any printing press, with something surprisingly simple: cotton and linen. But not just any cotton. This is premium long staple cotton and high-quality flex-based linen, delivered in tightly secured bales to a restricted facility where every fiber is inspected before it is even allowed inside the production environment. Technicians open each bale and carefully examine the fibers, stretching them, checking their strength, purity, and length. Because even the smallest imperfection at this stage could affect the durability of the final banknotes that will eventually circulate in the hands of millions of people across Malaysia every single day. Once approved, these fibers are fed into powerful machines that beat and break them down at a microscopic level, creating a dense network that bonds together, forming a paper that is nothing like ordinary paper. Stronger, more flexible, and built to survive years of folding, handling, and daily use without losing its structure. But here is where things start to get even more interesting. Because before the paper is even fully formed, hidden security elements are already being prepared, including microtech security threads and tiny colored fibers that will be randomly embedded inside the paper itself. These features are not added later. They become part of the paper's structure, creating a built-in layer of protection that is extremely difficult to replicate, even with advanced technology, making genuine Malaysian banknotes instantly more secure than regular printed materials. As the fiber mixture flows across a moving surface, water drains away and a continuous sheet begins to form. And right inside it, the security thread locks into place while colored fibers scatter randomly, meaning every single sheet has its own unique internal pattern, almost like a fingerprint. These massive rolls of banknote paper are then sealed, secured, and transported under strict supervision to specialized printing facilities, where every delivery is checked again and verified before the real transformation process begins. Inside these facilities, master engravers work on hardened steel plates, carving designs so detailed that even under extreme magnification, every single line remains sharp and precise, including portraits of national figures and iconic Malaysian landmarks that appear across different denominations. Now here comes one of the most satisfying stages of the entire journey, the printing process, which begins with offset printing, where soft background colors and complex patterns are applied to the blank sheets, creating a visually rich base layer that is both beautiful and extremely difficult to copy. These patterns may look simple at first glance, but they are made using advanced mathematical designs that create fine lines and curves, making duplication without the original process nearly impossible for counterfeiters attempting to replicate the currency. Then the real magic begins, with Intaglio printing, a process where thick ink is pushed deep into engraved steel plates and then transferred onto the paper under extremely high pressure, forcing the paper fibers into the grooves of the plate. As the paper pulls away, the ink is lifted out and deposited onto the surface as raised ridges, creating that unique texture you can actually feel when you run your fingers across a genuine Malaysian banknote. This is the moment where the banknotes truly come alive, where portraits, text, and detailed elements rise from the surface, giving the note a premium tactile feel that cannot be easily replicated by standard printing techniques. After both sides are printed using this method, the sheets are carefully placed inside secure vaults, where they are left to dry under controlled conditions, sometimes for extended periods, allowing the ink to fully bond with the paper. This drying stage is critical because it ensures that the ink remains durable, resistant to smudging, and capable of maintaining its raised structure even after long periods of circulation and repeated handling. Once dried, the sheets move into one of the most advanced quality control stages, where high-speed inspection systems scan every single sheet using powerful cameras and intelligent software. These systems check for alignment, color accuracy, print depth, and the presence of every security feature, ensuring that each sheet meets extremely strict standards before it can move forward in the production process. If even the smallest defect is detected, the sheet is immediately rejected and removed, because only perfect banknotes are allowed to continue towards circulation. Next comes overprinting, where additional elements are applied, including unique serial numbers that ensure every single banknote has its own identity, never repeated anywhere else in the system. At the same time, other security features are confirmed, including watermarks that become visible when the note is held up to light, features that are not printed but actually formed within the paper itself during its earliest stages. There are also microprinted details, so small they appear as thin lines to the naked eye, but under magnification reveal clear and readable text, adding yet another layer of protection against counterfeiting attempts. Once all of these elements are complete, the large printed sheets are sent to cutting machines, where they are precisely trimmed into individual banknotes for the very first time. Each note is perfectly sized, cleanly cut, and identical in design, yet completely unique in identity due to its serial number and internal structure. Any defective notes are instantly separated and securely destroyed, ensuring that only flawless currency enters the financial system and maintains public trust. The approved banknotes are then counted, bundled, and packaged into secure units before being transported to the central bank under tightly controlled conditions.
Watch the clearance on your right.
From there, they are distributed across the country, moving into commercial banks, ATM networks, and businesses, eventually reaching people in everyday life, where they are used for transactions, savings, and economic activity. And here is something most people never think about. When you hold any Malaysian banknote, you are not just holding money. You are holding the result of advanced engineering, precision craftsmanship, and layered security working together seamlessly. Every raised texture you feel, every hidden feature you discover, every detail you notice, it all exists for one purpose: to protect value and maintain trust in the currency system.
Thank you. Keep the change.